should you do with this overgrown Rose of Sharon? The dining room, block some light. It's kind of wonky. It's coming way out here and it is overgrown. So you don't have to keep it. First of all, you can get rid of it. Put something else in. Put a native thing in here.
Okay.
These things are aggressive. This one isn't making babies everywhere, but you said the ones in the back.
Yeah.
So they're different. Some of them are more sterile, but they're still, you know, whatever. They still can be complicated. But anyway, you can basically take this to the ground and it'll be just fine. I wouldn't necessarily do that if you're going to keep it.
Okay.
But you can, I would remove this, this, and this,
Okay.
and open things up a lot. And then I would keep these two and bring them down. I would go right above this and have this kind of be your new plant height.
Okay.
This guy. If you then cut these down like this,
Okay.
trust me, new growth will come off of this. Yeah.
Wow.
So I would contain this much more.
Okay.
Take off these first three.
Okay.
And then just bring it way down and then live with it for a bit and see if you like it.
Okay.
Or get rid of it. Whatever.
Okay. Thank you.